It goes, right?
Oh, he sneezes and falls off the chair.
Watch.
Once.
Hang on. He sneezes so hard he falls. Hang on.
You should go close.
Well, take that back a bit. Take that back. That is class.
Yeah. Crazy as fools.
Tries to
You've been filming, huh? It's going now.
Honest now, and I was trying to laugh too loud.
I can't keep my phone still. Oh, fucking hell.
That's not all, you should have seen his face. Because he didn't finish sneezing, Matthew, and like that.
I can't keep still.
It's like...
Right.
Okay.